Hello, folks, and we have some very interesting news today. You know Elon Musk? Yes, he actually said that Doge will be accepted for buying Teslas. Now, that could be big. And in fact, we have proof from Cointelegraph right here, straight from Musk's mouth, or the horse's mouth, if you believe Musk is a horse. Elon Musk, Dogecoin will be used by Teslas at some point. We don't know when that point is. We hope it's soon. But just this statement could be enough to make Dogecoin pump very, very high. And since I have Dogecoin, that is definitely a big plus for me. Now, what he should do next is to announce that the cost of one Tesla will be exactly one Dogecoin, because that would definitely make my day. He's obviously not going to do that because I would be able to buy 2,600 Teslas, which I don't really know what I would do with, but that would be very, very interesting. Now, do I think a lot of people will actually be buying Teslas with Dogecoin? Probably not. I mean, it would take a lot of 18-cent Dogecoins to buy a Tesla, but sooner or later, you're going to be able to buy Dogecoins with Tesla. But like Elon Musk, unfortunately, is a big figure in the crypto community. He mainly just uses like crypto to troll stuff, but people seem to follow him for some odd reason or other. However, this has actually sparked enthusiasm among investors. Although I will have to say a lot of Doge's investors are just in it for the fun. I think they just like laugh at this as well. But it has did actually cause Doge to pump a little bit. Now, when he really says, hey, from now on, Tesla is going to accept Dogecoins, I think that'll pump even more. So I'm hoping for a secondary pump, and this will definitely help Dogecoin in the bull run gain some value because, hey, it might actually have some utility in buying Teslas. Will Elon Musk accept Bitcoin and other coins? I'm not really sure. But, it's the Doge is making some progress, even though I do think Elon is mainly using it to troll us once again and get attention again. But if he did actually say that one Dogecoin will be equal to one Tesla, that would be even way, way better. Although I do not think he will do that, because if he does that, I would laugh, because the market cap of Dogecoin would easily surpass the market cap of Bitcoin if he does that. And then it would be Dogecoin dominion over all of crypto. But anyways, yeah, Doge will be accepted by Tesla sometime along the line, hopefully this year. And if people start buying Teslas with Dogecoin, then Elon Musk is going to have to figure out a way to pump the value of all those Dogecoins he's getting for Teslas. And that might bring in some trouble, but it also might bring in massive profits for our Dogecoin, because Elon Musk does know how to pump, and he has enough money to pump these cryptos, especially if he has a lot of those cryptos. Imagine Tesla's profits, that they have a bunch of these things called Dogecoin, right? And they need to pump Dogecoin up to make their quarterly profits. So they have Elon sprinkle some of his magical powder on this Dogecoin, and Dogecoin goes up 5,000%, and Tesla breaks all record profits and becomes the biggest company in the world. That could happen, and that's something that Elon Musk could attempt doing, and that would be very interesting if that happened. Don't know if that's going to happen, but hey, possibility, can't take it out. Doge Wi-Fi hat, or Doge with hat, has raised $700K to put it on like a Las Vegas jumbotron or something. It's kind of weird, yeah. So it actually hit a record high. This did pump dog with hat, because they raised $700,000 for a Vegas Sphere fundraise. What they did was basically they put an image on the Las Vegas Sphere. Was it worth $700? Actually, if you really look at how much market cap it gained, yeah, it actually was worth $700. Expect $700,000 to its investors. Unlike a lot of those UFC sponsorships or sports sponsorships that didn't really do much for the coin price, this particular thing did actually pump the coin up, and some people were able to cash out. Do I think this is the dumbest thing ever? It might be. But, you can't deny those gains. You really can't deny those gains. Pepe also is looking for a Coinbase listing. I'm not really sure if this is going to happen or not. It's just rumors right now. But right now, the meme coins are dominating, and you can see that Pepe is up 18%. It might be because of this rumor. I haven't heard anything from Coinbase, so I am somewhat doubtful of this rumor. But it's not impossible that Pepe gets listed. And it's also pulled a lot of the other meme coins up as well. As you can see, my Floki is indeed up 10% from all of this. So we might be heading into another round of meme coin bull run. So all of you that are on this high horse saying that meme coins have no fundamentals and you won't invest in them, you guys are suckers at this point. Yes, see, my Floki is now over $6,000. That's right, from a start of $600. And that was just, like a month ago. So within this month, I have gained 10x on the Floki Inu. So all of you non-believers in the ancient Inu warlords need to get on your knees and bow down and beg for forgiveness from the ancient Inu overlords, or they will banish you to the poorhouse for this entire bull run. That's right, the ancient Inu overlords are angry at your lack of belief, and they will pump these coins up to infinity, and as the only altcoins that will pump this bull run. And if you do not get on the train and bandwagon, you will get left behind. I mean, you can invest in other good coins with fundamentals as well, but don't thumb your nose at these things. I mean, money is money either way. Sitting on your high horse in crypto doesn't really make any sense. Like, only coins with good fundamentals, because fundamentals are kind of besides for Bitcoin because it has the ETS, fundamentals are really kind of a flexible word in crypto. You do a lot of research, but crypto's things really aren't that transparent. And like, even if you do the best research, i.e. XRP Army, your coin can do nothing for like years and years at a time, while these coins in the same time can come up. And yeah, a lot of meme coins die, but if you actually look at a lot of these meme coins, they've survived for at least one bull run. If you look at Doge, has been surviving since like 2014. Shiba was here since the last bull run. Floki came up like around the last bull run as well, and they're all still alive at this point. I don't really know if Pepe is going to last, but it definitely might. And you have to understand the crypto market. The crypto market is one where you don't have like earnings, PE ratios, and things like that. To really steady the market. So when you're looking at the crypto market, you are looking at way more speculation than the stock market. And you basically have two choices. You have like a choice between a really regulated market without all this stuff, which is kind of like the stock market, or a fairly unregulated market where people are more free, but you're going to have a lot of this stuff in there and it's going to be more speculative. And crypto people have definitely chosen the second one. So this stuff is not going away. And that's why I think, like, during any particular bull run, having 15 to 20% of your money in like memes at the beginning isn't a bad idea, because there's always going to be these occurrences where memes outgain everything else. And if you have the right one, it doesn't matter if the other four fail, you will still make more money on that one than just about anything else. So like, definitely don't go all in on memes, but they're not a bad bet. And the chances that you'll win are way more than the lottery. And the thing is, if you got to be able to sell out on time once you make that money. But if you do, you're more likely to hit a good one if you invest in a bunch of them than not hit one. Whereas in the lottery, you're almost guaranteed to lose. So yeah, like, think about that this way. We're kind of in this to make money. I mean, people are in the stock market to make money too, obviously. I mean, like, the technology is great, but you have to look at like what's actually hot right now, and like how the mentality of people in crypto actually think. And I don't think the crypto mentality is really going to change all that much if it remains a fairly unregulated market, which I do think most crypto people want it to stay a fairly unregulated market. Visa and MasterCard might actually be big drivers in the new year for crypto. And they've already made some moves, as we've seen lately. Visa obviously is betting on platforms and white label solutions. They're going in on a lot of NFT and metaverse stuff. And they're also like, there's also been partnerships with certain like pilot CBDCs, like the Bahamas Sand Dollar, which is based on this like thing called NZIA limited technology. They developed a blockchain. At least that's what basically all the reports say. MasterCard obviously is no slouch. It had a partnership a little bit earlier. They're also working with like CBDCs. They have a cautious strategy on readiness and compliance over direct innovation. So they're like piggybacking on a lot of the stuff. And more recently, both these platforms have more like gotten into like direct blockchain payments and blockchain cards. I think they're using like I do actually think they're using like private blockchains or specialized versions of blockchains that don't interact with like the public blockchains of stuff, but they are actually doing certain coins for like loyalty points. And that definitely could bring a lot more people in crypto. Think about how many people use Visa and MasterCard. Now, if they get this like coin that they have to use something to cash out of, for using Visa and MasterCard, that will get a lot more people familiar with crypto. And that could actually drive the next wave. Now, those people are probably going to be trading those points for meme coins and all that other stuff as well, or whatever they decide to trade for or cash out. But that is like very important that your chain gets on one of these things for the MasterCard or Visa like reward points thing, because that could be very, very big. So that's what I have to say for today. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.